Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about the Python's famous DocString method that is used for documentation and help for your functions or classes in Python. If you're new to the Akinon's YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to us and hitting the bell icon for further notifications. Now, let's get back to the video. So first things first, let's try to understand what is a docstring. So docstring is basically a source or documentation that a programmer can use to understand what's exactly going on in a set of lines of code. So basically this is mostly used when you're working with functions or classes in Python, where we create docstrings so that we can explain the programmer what is exists in the function, what is the return type of the function, what is taken by the function, and so forth. So let's understand a simple example. Here we've got a simple function that says add and adds two integers and returns a value which will obviously be an integer. So to create a docstring, all you need to do is use these three tick quote methods and close that also, and now we can write data inside a docstring. So let me say that this is an add function that takes in, and the best part of docstring is you can use multi-line documentation. So basically it can work as a comment also. So let me continue saying this is an add function that takes in two integers and returns the sum of those integers. So simple language that can be understood by the programmer when he or she is using this function. Now, basically we have this help function in Python. So we can check out what exactly this function is saying using the help method in Python. So I'm just going to say help and I'm going to use the add function. And as you can see, it says that help on function add in module dot main, and it returns the function that is add with the arguments a comma b, and it says this is an add function that takes in two integers and returns the sum of those integers. As you can see, the same thing that I've coded around here, and obviously this is integer. Again, you can also access this data using the add dot underscore underscore doc method. Again, this needs to be printed since it returns a string. So let me do that quickly. And as you can see, we get the same data, that is its doc method returned. So basically the docstrings are commonly used by programmers to create readable code so that someone else using that function can understand what's exactly going on in that piece of code. If you found this video helpful and insightful, don't forget to drop the like button and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.